5 years ago, Lori, the boys, and I pulled up our roots and moved to Chile. Let me tell you, it was really scary. We were looking for an adventure of a lifetime. And what we really wanted was just a peaceful place to call home with kind and gentle neighbors. We wanted to enjoy the life that God gave us. Free, simple, safe, and more beautiful than you can ever imagine. Hello, welcome to Chile Expat family. Today I'm standing here with Oreo, our last piggy, and we're watching our solar guys do our install on our solar system. This has been going on for about a week, give or take the weather, and today is a sunny day. Today's Tuesday, and they'll be here today and tomorrow. And on our towers, they made a few adjustments. If you can see the towers, have Thomas show the tower there. You see the tower, Thomas? Yeah. They're going to put 12 panels on each tower. That should give us 24 total, and then the remaining 6 are going to go on top of our container. This system is going to be a 10,000 watt system with 2 inverters that are 5,000 watts. The system uses MPP inverters, and the charge controllers that we're using are the Midnight Classic 150s. It's a 48 volt system, and I have 12 batteries. They're 200 amp hour batteries. The solar panels are 330 watts a piece. Okay. What did I spend for everything? The panels, the batteries, the installation, the towers, the construction of the towers, all the concrete that went into them. I spent between $30,000 and $40,000. Lots of money there. Yep. But I have energy independence, and I will for the rest of my life. I'll never have, well, I don't have a power bill now, but I certainly won't after this. So you can see them doing the install, and we're going to go over and look at the inverters and stuff in the power room here in a minute. Buenos días, esta tarde yo soy acá con mi amigo Ricardo. Ricardo está de un dueño, otro dueño, dos dueños de A y B servicio acá en Chile. Entonces, habla con un poco su
Okay.
negocio.
Hola, nosotros somos una empresa chilena, obviamente. Nos dedicamos a todo lo que es energía renovable, a dar soluciones ambientales igual.
Yeah.
Y generación solar. Bueno, este sistema es un sistema innovador, ya que es el primero en Chile con torres
Claro.
giratorias con orientación solar.
Yeah. Siempre con de gringos, correcto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y son las primeras, así que estamos emocionados por el sistema porque es el primero que hacemos de este tipo. Y es... Bueno, acá estamos con mi amigo Jim.
Gracias.
Que es también el que está aportando a esto, que la gente todavía no lo conoce muy bien y no se atreve a hacerlo, pero es un gran paso acá en Chile empezar con esto y que vaya aumentando la cantidad de gente que quiera hacer este tipo de sistema y que se dé cuenta que sirve harto a largo plazo.
Pregunta, ¿de dónde es su zona de servicio? ¿Solamente Osorno o más norte, más sur? ¿Qué?
Nosotros somos una empresa de servicio en terreno, así que nosotros vamos donde el cliente nos llame, obviamente, y hacemos una evaluación y realizamos el trabajo.
Pero no hay problema.
No hay problema
con Villarrica o...
No hay problema en la zona.
Bien. ¿Y solamente tu trabajo con solar o no? Más.
Bueno, nosotros también nos dedicamos a todo lo que es el área agrícola.
Yeah.
Todo lo que es lechería, ordeña mecánica, refrigeración industrial y todo lo que es automatización, PLC, variables de frecuencia.
Perfecto.
Todo lo que es automatización, electricidad.
Excelente, excelente. ¿Cuántos años su negocio acá?
Nosotros llevamos funcionando 3 años ya como empresa independiente.
Su base está en Osorno,
En
¿correcto?
Osorno,
Yeah. ¿Y tú tienes correo electrónico?
Yes.
¿Y hablar con él? ¿Qué está? para ella?
Bueno, el correo de nosotros es aib.serviciosltda@gmail.com. Ahora nosotros tenemos una página web ahora con
Claro.
todo esto y está en proceso de
Claro.
finalización. Así
Perfecto.
que una vez que la tengamos lista podemos dejarla en el link y todo
Claro.
para que la vean.
Y última pregunta. ¿Cuántos más tiempo necesito para último este proyecto?
Bueno, sí, yo creo que esta semana ya vamos a dejar todo conectado.
Bien.
Ya tenemos las torres armadas, que era lo más complicado,
Ya.
montar todo lo que es la estructura de los paneles.
Ya.
Está la primera torre lista, ahora nosotros vamos a dejar la segunda ya listo, después tenemos los cables, hay que hacer las modificaciones
Ya.
y conectar todo el sistema de control allá, que es
Claro.
lo más fino que se dice.
Y mira, look at esta chancha es usted, es trabajador mismo.
Nos vienen a hacer compañía.
Esa es su amiga.
Es
Ya.
nuestra amiga.
Ok, gracias por su tiempo, ya. Y por su trabajo y por su burros mismo, ya. Ya. Ok, listo. Thank you.
Gracias a ustedes.
De nada. Okay, so here we are in my power room, and this is the last quarter of a container I bought, a 20-foot container. You can watch my other video that I did on this a couple of months ago, and it's sitting on a concrete foundation, raised up a little bit so it stays dry underneath. But this room is mouse-proof, it's waterproof, it's everything-proof. And I have a total of 12 200 amp hour batteries, and here they are, brand new batteries. And they're just being stored here for the time being. But there's going to be a shelf here that goes across, steel shelf, and that's going to be the second level of batteries. And then we have our combiner boxes, our MPP solar 5,000 watt inverter with charger, and it's a charge controller and a charger, a battery charger for the generator. And the other one is the same. Those are from MPP Solar. I love MPP Solar. I want to thank Chris at Just In Case Solar for turning me on to MPP Solar. I now have 3 of their inverters, and I've not had any problems with them at all. They're just nice. And then I bought the Midnight Classics, which I personally brought back from the United States with me on an airliner. And all these combiner boxes are in protection are Midnight Classics, their product too. So I brought all that back, and here's the main cutoffs, the outs that comes in from the solar panels over here. So it'll have a light in here and maybe an outlet or so. And then on the other side of this wall is going to go a commercial kitchen I'm doing for my barbecue sales. On the roof of the container is going to go 6 panels. We were originally going to do 10 here, and 10 over there, and we changed that now to be 12, 12, and 10 here. That's for the 48 volt spacing for the coupling in pairs of 2, and it's also, we decided to go with 12 panels on the tower, so we're always hitting the sun, aiming towards the sun on them. So they're coming tomorrow. They're going to weld up some racks on the roof of this container, and that's where 6 panels are going. And if you look over here at this tower, you will see that they've already got 12 panels up there. Let me tell you, that's a beautiful scene. That's a good day for us to have that. Having those panels up there means as much to me as it did the day we put up our water tower. It's just it's a watershed moment for our little farm, because it talks so much to our investment that we have here, our investment in Chile, and our investment in being energy free. And okay, solar is really it's great for the environment, it's green, okay, that's all grand. But what really is grand is I never pay another power bill. And that's worth more than all the other stuff added together as an individual. So anyways, I just wanted to give you that update. I got more stuff coming. I talked to you all a week or so ago about changes in my channel, and Lori and I have been discussing it at length about what I'm going to do there. and what we decided to do is, and we haven't come up with all the numbers yet, but we're probably not going to go with Patreon. What we're going to do is, because there's so much third party going on and filtering going on there, and we've heard some bad things about Patreon banning people and for silly stupid reasons, because they have to play like they're your parents, the nanny state thing, and so you got problems with any of them. So if you all want to donate to me, I'd like that. That would be nice. I'm not asking for a lot. I'm not asking for anything really. But if you want to donate to my cause, I have a PayPal account. And if you'd like to send me in a donation, that's fine. I'd really appreciate it. We'll have more details on that about people that donate. They get a few goodies. And they also get some assistance if they decide to visit us or come here and some other things. And we're still working out those numbers. We're also coming up with consults for people because I'm getting more and more people calling me wanting to know more about Chile and talk to me on the phone. And that's my preferred method of communication, not email, because my hands really drive me bonkers with the atrophy in my fingers. So anyways, that's enough for today, and I'll give you an update on the channel changes when I get them for you. We don't do anything fast. Life is easy here. Nobody's in a hurry. We're not in a hurry. It's just living. Ciao from Chile, Expat family, and God bless you. Thank you.